Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at two examples of the models of vertical grips. These are branded from GG&G, also known as GGGAZ. I'll try to put links in the description. Um, but basically these are rail mounted and similar to other vertical grips from other brands, but some differences as well. These are very similar to the Knight's Armament style of grips, where there will be a type of center plug that would slot into a rail slot to lock into position and can also be moved to other rail slot positions as well, depending on fit and application required, and can be quickly maneuvered. So these, as you can see, if I rotate this knob at the bottom, we also note the O-rings as well for a seal. Now, these are not storage compartments because, as you can see, as I move this whole thing, this is actually a solid core in here. We'll see shortly. But you can see here that controls the height of the kind of locking lug there. And you can see the profile of the rail area as well. So I just happen to have a large section of rail here example. So we go ahead and move this into maneuvering position. Pick an end at random, thread it on. Let's see if I can get it on this side, it's easier. And you can see with multiple slots, I can line it up through here. You can actually see where the, say, open area of rail is. You can see the locking lug moving into position, and you can help center that. And now it's not going anywhere. Now, if I actually remove the entire core, you can see how far down this is actually threaded into the body of the grip, and the actual size of the core. Again, it's solid material there, but there is a storage compartment in this area. So it is not totally solid. There is actually still a utility aspect to this core. So there is a storage compartment. There is an O-ring, but that only helps to actually grip this onto the rail surface. Likewise, if I take the shorter one, pull this out, this one, on the other hand, I do not believe has a storage core on the inside. Or at least I have not been able to decipher this knob. It does appear to be solid in this case. O-ring to help with the grip. And let's say I take a shorter rail section to simulate a shorter handguard situation. You can see again through the viewing hole where the positioning could be, and to send the locking lug into position. Again, trying to line it up on the open rail area, and you can see now it's locked into position. So taking a quick look at just a couple examples of two sizes of drop on, drop in rail accessory vertical grips from GG&G. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.